Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We are going to solve x root x is equals to root x power x. So let's start with today's video solution. So we know that root x, we can write it as x power 1 by 2. So therefore root x power x, we can write it as x power 1 by 2 whole power x is equals to x power x by 2 we can write. Now we know that so x root x is equals to, in place of this, x power x by 2. Now on comparing both sides, if the base are equal, their power are also equal. So root x is equals to x by 2. Now I am going to multiply both sides by 2. So 2 root x is equals to x. Now divide both sides by root x. So 2 is equals to, this is x by x power 1 by 2. According to exponent rule, x power m by x power n is equals to x power m minus n. So x power 1 by x power 1 by 2 is equals to x power 1 minus 1 by 2, which is x power 1. So 2 is equals to x power 1 by 2, which is equals to 2 is equals to root x. Now, if I'll do squaring both sides, 2 square is 4 and root x square is x. So, the value of x is 4. Let's verify this. First, x power root x is equals to 4 power root 4. So, 4 root 4 is 2 and 4 square is 16. This is LHS. Now RHS, root x power x. So root 4 power 4. Root 4 is 2 power 4, which is equals to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 16. So LHS is equals to RHS. Hence x is equals to 4 is the verified solution. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt related to any math question, you can comment down. Thank you so much for watching this video.